Good afternoon. This is Tool Organization Services, Woody and Dawn, and we just organized the specialty tools here in Westminster, Maryland, and it's Bear Truck. It's a medium-duty, heavy-duty truck facility, and so what we do is we come in and we inventory all the tools, and then we put them on these panels, organize them numerically by OEMs. So this is Navistar, and then they have Isuzu, Allison, and then they have also just Universal Tools and Cummins. So we organize them in the OEMs like that, and we label the panels, which is nice. And then we have these shelves that we use to organize their kits, and we have some smaller totes that we use to organize some of the tools that have multiple pieces to them, or like this particular one is the bench calibration harnesses, where they have all the harnesses, put them all together. You can see the shelves look really nice to organize the kits, and we put the number on them and we put the description on them also, so they're easy to find. And then we also label the shelves too here on this particular job, and they're nice to have for the large items too that the truck dealers have. And over here they purchased the rack system that Tool Organization Service offers, and it comes with the totes, and these organize their big harnesses, their non-current tools if they want to save them, some of their high pressure gauges and hoses, and their power steering analyzer, stuff that's really big and messy. These totes work great, and this rack is great also. Just pull the tote right out, and it looks really nice, and it looks really neat too. Alright, well, we're gonna wrap it up here. Oh, first forgot about the dog tag system over here. We got their dog tags, and they have their name. We put their name up there, and when they come and take a tool, they take their dog tag and they put it on the tool that they took. So the next guy knows who has it. And we put their sockets up for them. And then we give you a full view here of what it all looks like. Came out really nice. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye and thank Tool Organization Services for the job, and God for his help.